Girls and boys, I think we found out that was tougher than we thought. So that's pretty exciting. That's really good for me to learn and also for you guys. So what we're going to do is take turns going through how we sorted our words and seeing if our headings, which are which part of your paper, which point to where your headings are on your paper. Yep, the colored part or the pencil part. So you're going to see if any of your headings match your friends. So if they match your friends, we'll do thumbs up. If it doesn't match your friends, we won't get to do that. So, Emma, could you please tell me one of your headings and what's underneath it?
I have a category about the dogs and the musher. It has things like ice and the booties and sharp rocks and padded harness, deep snow, musher, meat, and straw.
Okay. How do you think the sharp rocks fits under that category?
Because, that should have gone on trail.
Okay. You could draw an arrow if you want.
Or I can just rip it off.
That'll work. Okay. So did anybody have a dogs and musher category?
No, but I do have stuff for dogs. Does that count?
Stuff for dogs category? Do people have something similar to that?
Dogs and musher.
You've got dog.
Dogs and musher.
Dog clothes. Wesley has.
I need to restart that.
Dogs and musher.
Big kids. Okay. All right. So that's a good category. Jocelyn, can you give us one of your categories, please?
Transportation.
Do you guys have a transportation
I do.
heading?
Yeah, I do. I know. I have move. That's what I did.
Okay, move. Yep.
Train, airplane, wind whip, tails. Wait, what?
Would have trails. You should have done dogs.
What did you say? Wind whipped what?
Wind whip trails, padded harnesses.
Okay. Did you guys who had transportation have anything different than that?
Well,
I had dogs.
except for the wind whip trail thing here.
You didn't have the wind whip trail?
I don't know why. Only airplane and train should be there.
Okay.
Can I bend this?
Nope. All right, Bryn, what's one of your categories? Girls.
Stuff for dogs like booties, straw, meat, sharp rocks, padded harness.
Okay.
I have that.
Well, we did yours already. Let's give Owen a turn.
I have winter stuff.
Ooh, what's under winter stuff? Does anybody have a category like that?
Nope.
Okay, what's under winter stuff?
Deep snow, 30 degrees, wind whip trails, ice, hairpin turns, and sharp rocks.
Okay.
I have one that has the same ones.
And what did you call that?
Obstacles.
Ooh, obstacles. That's a great word. What does that mean?
It means like things that you have to try to avoid.
Okay, and Wesley, so Emmerich gave his category obstacles. Wesley, do you have any that we didn't cover?
Not
I
really.
have one that you didn't cover.
Dog clothes. Okay,
But I have one that
so listen, the point of this exercise, I'll tell you, I'm the one who typed it up, right? So I had 3 categories that are different than yours. I had transportation, but I had train, airplane, dog sled, and musher. I had weather, which was similar to winter, right? -30, hairpin turns, wind, deep snow, ice, and rocks. But I think hairpin turns probably doesn't fit there well. So maybe that would go to transportation. I had dog needs, harness, booties, meat, and straw. So the thing about doing this is we all are going to have different ideas about how things get organized. But in a book, there's going to be headings that help us know where these details fit. So as we keep going through this book, we're going to learn more about all these topics. And I bet by the end, you'll be able to come up with different places where you want these to go. So what do you guys think of this? Thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs sort of like this if you're like, thumbs down if you never want to do this again.
I mean, it's a kind of middle that kind of points off.
Okay.
Yeah,
All
I
right.
don't know why
Well, I really appreciate you guys taking the time to do this with me today. And I'm going to take your work if you finished it. If not, you can just recycle it. And next time we meet, because I think we're going to keep doing this, especially if I can get one more book, we will keep reading more of Mush. All right? Thanks, guys. Owen's going to